friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Surface Laptop 6 and friend, Microsoft is sticking with its typical launch plan where it unveils two Surface Laptop 6 models in display size of 13.5 inch and 15 inch. According to the latest specification leak, both machines will switch over Intel's 13th generation mobile processor, bringing additional cores and performance to the table. And if those details hold true, then the new Surface Laptop series will also deliver battery life that competes directly with Apple's M series of MacBooks and friend. So from Microsoft will retain its Pixel Sense display technology with a 13.5-inch model having a 2256 x 1504 resolution, while the larger 15-inch model resonating 2496 x 1664 resolutions. The display quality is said to be top-notch, supporting the sRGB color profile and having a contrast ratio of 1300 Jam1, and a processor options that are said to be used are the Intel Core i5 1335U and Core i7 1355U, and the 13.5-inch version of the Surface Laptop 6 can be configured with both chips, while the 15-inch model will only ship with the Core i7 1355U, and both chips have a 10-core configuration with 2 performance and 8 power efficiency ones. And friends, there is no discrete GPU present on the either model, so you will have to rely on Intel's IO platform to do the job, though the included Thunderbolt 4 port allow you to connect an eGPU enclosure. And friend, the memory option include 8GB, 16GB and 32GB of LPDDR5X, but they cannot be upgraded. And friend, only the SSD can be swapped for a larger capacity, but the ones included range from 256GB and up to 512GB on a 13.5-inch model and up to 1TB on the 15-inch version. And friend, the specification sheet reveals that the 13.5-inch Surface Laptop 6 will last for an hour longer than 15-inch model and running for 21 hours under typical usage compared to 21 hours on bigger notebook. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.